Let's pretend you are working on a project to add social media features to an application so users can share your content with their friends. After testing and verifying the work, you release it publicly. Hours later, however, some customers you've asked to try the functionality are stating everything is working flawlessly, while others say they are unable to see any social features at all. You first look through the log files, try to reproduce the issue yourself, and scour through your performance monitoring tools for any signs of errors. But unfortunately, you are unable to unveil any smoking gun. Usually this means that the error is not on the backend at all, but is instead happening in the portion of your application which runs in your user's browser, a spot where errors can traditionally go unnoticed to you, but where they still have just as much opportunity to ruin your customers' experiences. In this video, I'll show you how you can use New Relic's browser product to ensure that troubleshooting errors in your front end is every bit as seamless as it is for your backend, meaning that regardless of where your application fails, you're just a few short clicks away from understanding why. First, using New Relic Browser's out-of-the-box functionality, we can perform a quick triage to understand the impact of this issue. Using the error rate, we can see how many of our pages are resulting in errors, and with the convenient throughput by browser chart, we can see if those errors are actually negatively impacting our customers' abilities to use our application. A spike in error rate and a drop in throughput is a strong indicator of a severe issue. In this case, it looks like the throughput is steady. We do, however, see that there is a consistent amount of unhandled JavaScript errors occurring for this application. Clicking in further, we can view a full list of what those specific exceptions are. Each individual error can be clicked on to reveal a granular timeline view of how frequently it has occurred and on what specific browsers. In this case, we see this script error appears to have occurred around 150 times and is only affecting users on Internet Explorer or Firefox. Sure enough, viewing our application in Firefox shows that the social media functionality is completely missing. Going even further, we can drill in to view specific samplings of this error, including associated context about the environment in which it occurred, such as the browser type and version, the target URL, and a full code-level error message and associated stack trace. This particular script error seems to be occurring due to our inclusion of a script from Twitter. Clicking through, we can see that each script error corresponds to a specific social media plugin failing on the same two browser families. From here, we have all the information we need to steadily reproduce the issue, perform an informed and thoughtful debugging session, if necessary, and verify the fix is successfully deployed, so that everyone can access your new functionality regardless of what browser they prefer to use. Remember, your users likely do not differentiate between a server or a browser error, so neither should your company.